Hello there, Andy Kenny from the Uniseal workshop, here to demonstrate the second video on what can you do with Uniseals. And in this case it's connect a pipe to a pipe to either take water off or put water in. This is my AEM Easydrum 22, which is used to filter my pond. So the water basically comes in from the left hand side and goes out in this 4-inch pipe. Actually goes to a sump. However, the clean water out of the drum goes out the 4-inch pipe. And here we have a take-off for the water. The water that's taken off is used in the pump. So, water taken off here through this device, which is an on-off tap, round the corner, up through this 32mm pipe, my pump, which is at the back, and you can't see it, I'm sorry, through here, along the pressure bar, and it sprays. Why have I taken it off the pipe? Well, I'd rather not be drilling big holes in my drum. And I've fitted it with a Uniseal. So let me just take this apart and let me show you how it all works. We have a bit of water coming out here because there is some water in the drum. However, that's to be expected. Oh. There you go. Just let that drain away for a minute or two. In here, you see is the Uniseal. So there you go. Take the Uniseal out. Now this is the Uniseal for a 1-inch pressure pipe. And what we have here is a 1-inch pressure pipe. So, this 1-inch pressure pipe fits through the Uniseal. Fits into the 4-inch pipe. The 1-inch pipe is solvent welded to an on-off tap, just so I can turn the water off and work on the pump. On the other side, solvent welded 1-inch, then a 90-degree bend onto another 1-inch pipe. That 1-inch pipe fits inside the 32mm reinforced pipe, plastic pipe. So, let's put it all back together. Simple. Well, if I can get the Uniseal in, it is simple. One of the most important things to get right when you're drilling holes for your Uniseal is to get it in the right hole size. And getting the Uniseal in can be a bit of a fiddle. However, there we go, just like that. Okay, next thing, put this back in, turn it off. Yep, 1-inch pipe into the Uniseal. Now, you've got a bit of a choice here. You can push the pipe all the way in, which means you'll take the water from mid-pipe, or you can leave it at the bottom. If you push it in, it saves picking up any rubbish that may go through there, and maybe you don't want to pass into your pump. However, push it further in, you're taking the water from higher up in the pipe. Put this back together. So the 32mm reinforced pipe back on the end of the... I need to get down here and get in the way, sorry. That's a bit of a faff because of obviously it's very tight for space in here, since I've got my drum fitted in a hole. Longer term there will be bricks round here, and that's in a few days. At the moment it's just a hole. So we fitted the on-off tap back in, connected it up so the water comes through and round through the pump at the back here, which you can't see, round here, through the spray bar. So basically what I'm going to do now is turn it back on. Let the water through from the pond. Step one. So the water's coming back through from the pond and through the filter. Filter's not on yet because it would just run and run and run. I'm just waiting until it comes up slightly above the float, and now I'll go and turn everything back on. So, that's everything back on, including the drum. Just check that it's working. Of course it isn't, but the drum's going round, so what I need to do is turn the water back on. Check down here, see if there's any major leaks. No, nothing. It is a bit damp, of course, but that's because I've been fiddling about with the water. I'll come back in an hour or so and ensure that there are no leaks, but there doesn't seem to be any down there. Fine. Job done. Check this again. Water flowing. Drum back in commission. Put it all back together. There we go. Job done. Now this water takeoff isn't something that you could do with a normal plastic bulkhead connector, and that's of course because of the on the pipe there's a big bend on there. Bulkhead connectors are very good for fitting flat surfaces, e.g. tanks, plastic tanks or whatever. However, on a curved surface you can only beat a Uniseal. Thanks for that. Bye now.